Good evening, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make dal pakwan. Okay, first I'll show you how to make pakwan. For pakwan I have taken 1 cup of chana dal here. Okay, chana dal I have taken. You should wash it twice and then soak for about 4 hours and then cook adding turmeric. Okay, and then you need tomatoes, green chili cut and slit, curry leaves and then coriander leaves. So what you should do is now, here I have cooked the chana dal. Okay, cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. Okay, here. See here. Okay, let it not be too mashed. Okay, afterwards you can mash it. So in a kadai you can keep 2 spoons of oil, add jeera. Here, sorry, that is not jeera. Add jeera and then here add the tomatoes, green chili and then curry leaves and then coriander leaves. Allow the tomato to become mushy. Okay, it should get mashed well. In the meantime, I'll show you how to make pakwan. See, for pakwan you need 1 cup of maida. Okay, and then turmeric, then 2 spoons of oil and then this is ajwain. Okay, so vomakalu they say in Kannada. What you should do is mix everything with 2 spoons of oil and then make a tight dough, and you have to rest the dough for at least half an hour minimum. That is a must. Resting is a must. Here, see, this is the consistency it should be. The dough has been rested for half an hour. Okay, so I'll just show you how to make pakwan. In the meantime, for dal, I am just cooking the tomato and the green chilies. So let it get mashed. Here, the tomato is done. Now let me put the dal. Okay. It's on. I'll add some more water, about a glass of water. Now let me add salt, because I have not added salt at all. Okay. You need not add red chili powder because we have added the green chilies. Okay. Now add dhana jeera powder, the dhania powder which I have made. You can just add a spoon. And then allow this to boil. In the meantime, I'll just show you how to make pakwan. Okay. The dough is ready for pakwan. Trust me, this will be very tasty. This is a Sindhi dish. See, the pakwan dough is ready. Now take a small ball and then knead into chapati of the desired shape. If you want a big pakwan, you can make big pakwan. If you want to make small one, you can make small one. The pakwan will be very crispy and very nice. Now, here you have to prick it with a fork. Now, see, this is the way you need to roll. Now I have kept oil here for deep frying. See, the pakwan is boiling. let it boil. Okay, it should not be very thin. It should not be watery. Okay, let it thicken, because since we have added chana dal, this will thicken very fast. Oil is hot. Let me put the pakwan. Yeah. Now you can remove it. Here the dal is ready. Trust me, this will be very tasty. Now I'll just put it in the bowl and show you. At the same time, here pakwan is getting ready. Okay, so I'll just put it in a plate and show you how to eat it. Okay, here the dal and the pakwan. So I'll add little fresh coriander leaves to dal, and then you can add finely cut onions on this, and then I'll add sweet chutney. I'll show you. I'll add little sweet chutney. Anyway, this adding sweet chutney and onion is optional. Okay, if you want you can add, and how you should eat is here. Yeah, this is so crispy. See, you should take it like this. This is the way to eat. Okay, here I swear this is out of the world. I want all of you to make this, please, because this is such a nice item. This doesn't require much time. I think in half an hour's time, if you keep everything ready, you can do it. Out of the world. Okay, please prepare it and give me back your sincere feedback. You all will certainly love dal pakwan, and this is a very, very healthy dish. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share the link with your friends and relatives. Please request them to subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Indira here again with Vela. Bye-bye.